Okay, this woman back in 1988 ran the 100-meter dash in 10.49 seconds. So there's the fraction that we're trying to convert to miles per hour. And what we're doing here is using something called dimensional analysis. Now, somehow we got to get meters into miles. And you do need to know something about meters, how many feet in 1 meter, or how many miles in 1 meter. Here I used 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Okay, and so what we're going to do is try to cancel out the units that we don't need and end up with miles per hour. So let's see how we do that. So I'm going to move this fraction up here, and we're actually going to multiply them. And the reason I did feet per meter is because I want these units of meters to cancel out. So now I've got feet. But we also know that 1 mile is 5,280 feet. I want the feet to cancel out. So when I move a fraction up here, I want the feet to be in the denominator. And that's why I said 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Because now the feet cancel out. And now I got to get rid of the seconds. And I'm going to use the fact that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So if I move this fraction up here, and again, I'm multiplying all these fractions, the unit seconds cancels out. And finally, I want to convert minutes to hours. So if I move this fraction up here, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And by putting the minutes in the numerator, the minutes cancel out. And the only units that are left at this point are miles per hour in the denominator. So the calculation that we're doing is 100 times 3.28. I'll just leave it like that, times 60 times 60 all over 10.49 times 5,280. And again, the units that were remaining were miles per hour. Now I'm going to go to Desmos and get a copy of the calculation just so you can see what that looks like. Copy. Here we go. And I use the full 3.280840 for the number of feet in 1 meter. And there's your answer in miles per hour. Of course, you can round that off to wherever you want, to the nearest tenth, 21.3 miles per hour. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.